Hi guys, this video is for a question that was asked on the channel earlier this week. Thanks Mopakoa for asking the question, really appreciate it. This is what we want. I want to be able to answer questions and basically create content for stuff that you guys want to know. So again, thanks very much. So they're asking, you shelled the black part into a thin layer to allow hollow volume between two parts. How do I make the orange part, taking the shelled shape of the black part, becomes the skin layer? Right, I think I understand what you're saying. So let's take a look at the model and see if I can do what you're saying. So I think what they're asking is basically at the moment I just created it as a hollow in here. In reality, there'd probably be ribbing in here to allow for the overmold. But what they're saying is we want this object to take the profile of the inside of here. So yeah, I think we can do that quite easily with some surfaces. So let's have a look. What I would do, first things first, I would roll back the feature tree so that part is still hollow. I would isolate this part so we can see what we're doing. And what I would do, I'd come up to surfaces. And again, I know I haven't talked much about surfaces, but if it's something you guys want to know, I will create content on it, don't worry. Offset surface, and you can do a thing which is, if you set it to 0, it basically copies the surface. So what I'm going to do is copy this surface like that and go OK. And you can see it's gone a bit, graphically it's a bit weird, but it's because we've got a surface there. So if we exit isolate, and then what we want to do is do the same. If we isolate this part, offset surface again, 0, so we're making a copy of the surface. Okay, so if we exit isolate, hide our solid bodies, now we have a surface, or two surfaces, sorry, that we can use to build our geometry. And then I'm going to come up here and select trim surface. This is our trimming tool. We're going to remove the outer perimeter. Then I want to knit these two surfaces together because I'm aiming to make a solid out of this. And actually, I missed a step there. I can make that, there's an option, see there, to create a solid. When you knit, if it creates an enclosed volume, it will make it a solid for you. So boom, there we go. You've got 3 solid bodies there now. If we show that one, what I would do now is combine the 2 bodies to make one look, so we've now got 2 up here. And one really annoying thing that Solidworks does, it loses your appearances if you're combining parts. I don't know why. Edit appearance. So we'll go back in and make it nice and orange because I like the orange. And yeah, hopefully that should answer the question. So now we've got our main sort of handle section incorporates the geometry, so there's no void anymore. It sort of the overmold wraps around that handle geometry. So yeah, hopefully that answers your question. If you've got any more questions, of course, please just ask, or if you want to know anything else about how I did something, just ask and I'll try and help. Alright, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and as always, there is more content to come. Thanks guys, bye.